Hey class, this is going to be Station 3, Magnetic Strength Challenge, okay? Our goal is to investigate factors that affect magnet strength, okay? So what we're going to do is make sure you're in Station 3, okay? And the first thing is, when you get in here, there's lots of different things. You have a bag of paper clips, you have some cardboard, you have some paper, you have a paper bag, some extra magnets, okay? So what you're going to do first is, you're going to test how many paper clips can the magnet lift, okay? How many can it lift? So what you're going to do is you're going to take some of these out, put them on the table, okay? You guys can work together as a group and figure out how many they can pick up, okay? That's the first thing you're going to do. Write that number down, okay? Be creative with it. Be creative how you're going to how many you're going to pick up, okay? Make sure you record that, okay? You're going to give people different opportunities too, so everyone gets a chance to touch the magnets. Number 2, change the distance or add a barrier between the magnet and the paper clip. So let's see this. You're going to take a couple paper clips and then maybe take like a cardboard box, right? A piece of cardboard. And let's see if we can pick it up in between. Is it possible? It might be. Just might be. See how many they can pick up, right, through the cardboard, okay? Then, what might make one magnet stronger than the other? Write that down. What do you think would make one stronger than the other? Okay? Does distance affect magnetic strength? That's a really good question. How far can it be apart before it picks up the magnets, okay? So write that down. That's going to be interesting. You can try that on there. Remember, this is an inquiry lesson. I want you to try different things. Evidence to collect. Data table and or bar graph comparing results, okay? And then one conclusion statement. The stronger the magnet, the blank, okay? The stronger the magnet, the blank. So what's going to happen there, okay? Your data table is going to be really simple. So you can just say the first time with a magnet, it picked up so many paper clips, and then you added some more, and then it picked up that many, and then the next one picked up so many, and then it picked up that one. You can do a real simple bar graph right on there, okay? Real simple. Teacher feedback. What patterns do you notice, and what evidence supports your claim, okay? What patterns did you notice? What did you notice about these magnets and their strength? What's the connection there, or is there a connection there, okay? And think what you think it is, okay? It's going to be very, very neat. Now, you're also going to have some explore time. You can use some paper. See if the magnet picks up the paper. Maybe you can see how thick it could be. Can magnets pick up paper clips through cardboard and paper? Okay? That's pretty interesting, okay? If you have any questions, just come around and ask me, or just raise your hand. I'll be around. Just make sure you finish this up and make sure you get that done and make sure everyone is participating. Okay, you guys do a really good job of that, so make sure you guys are doing that. Remember, when I usually give like a minute warning before the end of the switch of the stations. Just make sure your area is picked up. Okay, make sure everything gets back into. Make sure everything gets back into the box. Okay, before the next group. Okay? All right, good luck. I know you're going to do a good job.